Good afternoon to all. Hello everyone. Good afternoon to all. Amma Vishmita studying SKG B section. Who am I? Guess me? Yes. I am a tiger. I am national animal of India. I live in the jungle. Jungle is my home. I eat another animal flesh. I have 2 yellow eyes, sharp teeth, sharp neck, 4 legs, and one thigh. People saw killing me for my nails, teeth, and the skin. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Save tiger. Save India. This is my cup. Hello, my dear cup. I sing song for you. I am a tiger. I am a tiger. Do not come near. Do not come near, or else I bite you. Or else I bite you. That's all. Thank you to all.
Thank you, Tiger. We have a fear of you. Thank you.